If you live in Greater Toronto area, this December real estate update could save you or potentially cost you tens of thousands of dollars in 2026. In this video, you're going to walk away knowing exactly what prices are doing right now, which GTA cities are holding value, which ones are correcting, and whether buyers or sellers actually have the advantage as we close out December 2025. And guys, this is not speculation. This is data-driven market update for the GTA. My name is Clement. I'm a real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. I'm really glad you found us here. On this channel, we break down what's really happening in the GTA housing market so you can make smarter decisions whether you're buying, selling, or planning ahead. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the December GTA real estate market update. So let's get into it. So as of December, the average home price across the GTA is sitting at approximately $1,030,000. That's down roughly by 5% to 6% year over year. The sales activity is far much slower than last year, and also the inventory is a lot higher than what we've seen in recent winter markets, and homes are staying in the market for far much longer before they sell. This feels more of a balanced market, leaning more towards the buyer's side. Now, I want to break this down city by city. I might miss some cities, but I'm going to touch on the major cities in the GTA. And we're going to start off with Toronto, or Toronto, how some people might call it. So in the city of Toronto, the average home price is sitting at around $1,050,000. This prices are down approximately 4 to 6% year over year. So in Toronto, detached homes are holding far much better than condos, especially downtown. They continue to face a lot of pressure. This has happened pretty much throughout the whole year. And guys, I'm going to have a full year review video coming up next week, so just look out for that. In Toronto, you'll see that the buyers are able to negotiate again, and there's no biddings going on. I'm going to touch on this a little bit towards the end of the video, but that's a positive for Toronto buyers. In Pickering, as we're going out east a little bit, in Pickering, the average home price is around $950,000 to $980,000, I would say. So these prices are down by roughly around 5% year over year. The inventory in Pickering has increased tremendously, and buyers are taking their sweet time here. If we go far east, Ajax is currently averaging at around $850,000 to $900,000. The prices here are down approximately 6 to 7% compared to this time last year. You're finding a lot of conditional offers are very common in Ajax and also Pickering, and the prices for sellers, pricing matters more than ever in these cities, particularly because the type of houses people are buying here are detached homes, semi-detached homes, freehold properties most likely. And even when you go far east, let's say Whitby, the average home price is sitting at around $850,000 today. That's a huge drop in Whitby. So this is down by about roughly 6% year over year. Just like Ajax and Toronto, I would say a little bit longer. The homes are staying in the market for far much longer time, and buyers are coming into the market negotiating confidently. So sellers pricing, again, is very important. You're going to hear me saying this a lot. Now, let's go out west. When we look at Mississauga, Mississauga remains one of the most stable GTA markets today. The average price is sitting at around $950,000, I'll say to around $1 million there. The prices are down approximately 3% to 5% year over year. Those well-located turnkey homes are still moving. They're still very competitive in Mississauga because Mississauga is a really good city. Now, if you go far west of Mississauga, we look at Brampton. Brampton is averaging around $950,000 to $1 million as well. This market has seen a large adjustment with prices down approximately 6 to 8% year over year. Inventory here is far much higher, and buyers are far much more selective than before. And Brampton, for the most part, if your property does not have that income substitute that you can bring in for your property, a lot of times those properties stay in the market for a far much longer time. Now let's go into Oakville. Oakville continues to hold value better than most cities in the GTA. The average home prices are around $1.4 million. Prices are down roughly 3 to 4% year over year. Even in Oakville, correct pricing is very critical for all the sellers. So when you go up north, let's look at Vaughan. In Vaughan, the average home price is sitting at around $1.1 million. Vaughan is a really good city, but we'll say in Vaughan, the prices are down approximately 5 to 6% year over year. The detached homes are performing far much better than the condo markets and townhouses in Vaughan. There's a lot of new builds coming up in Vaughan, and there's a lot of troubles going on with a lot of homeowners coming into Vaughan. So this is affecting the condo market and the townhouse market, particularly in Vaughan. When we go slightly east of Vaughan, we look at Markham. The Markham average home price is around $1.2 million as well. The prices are down roughly 4% to 5% year over year. This neighborhoods, both Vaughan and Markham, these are very family oriented neighborhoods, and they remain far much in demand. That's why you see the average price sitting at what it is. Now, if you go far north, let's look at Newmarket. Newmarket is averaging around $1 million in price. The prices are down approximately 5 to 6% year over year. Obviously here, the buyers are watching far much closely for value opportunities. There's a lot of opportunity up north for sure. So now with all that said, what does this mean for you? A very quick summary on this. For buyers, more inventory, less competition, more leverage. Simple as. And for sellers, pricing correctly is everything. Overpriced homes sit for a long time. So strategic homes are still selling at a very good price point. If you're marketing your home really good, if you have the right correct price, you're going to sell. This is not a crash, guys. I would say it's a reset. Let's just put it that way. It's a reset in this market, and you have to act accordingly with what's going on. So if you're thinking about buying, selling in the Greater Toronto area, check the link in the description below. You'll find my buyer guide, my seller guide, and direct link to my website where you can select whether you're buying or selling and connect with me directly. And if you're a homeowner, every January I send out a full equity update and comparable market analysis to my past clients. If you want to receive the update as well, go to the link below, submit your information, and I'll include you in the January equity update that I always send out so you can know exactly where your home stands in today's market going into 2026 and see if you can plan out correctly moving forward. But for now, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next GTA Toronto real estate market update.